Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility and securing a current backup. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Once backed up, make sure you're plugged in and on a stable network. Large downloads can fail on flaky Wi-Fi. Next, free at least 20% disk space to allow the installer room to expand. Then open System Settings, go to Software Update, and download the Tahoe installer. You're initiating the process now. Do not interrupt the download. It must complete before continuing. Once the installer finishes, run it and follow the on-screen prompts. Agree to terms, pick your startup disk, and permit the machine to restart. During setup, enable File Vault to encrypt your drive and create a strong password. This protects your data if the device is lost. Make sure iCloud and privacy settings match your workflow so sync and permissions are set. After initial login, install any firmware updates and grant accessibility or full disk access to trusted apps so they operate correctly. Once you've completed setup, verify the update succeeded by checking about this Mac and confirming storage and update status. Reinstall or restore apps from the App Store or your backup and reauthorize any software licenses so tools work immediately. Make sure Time Machine runs a new snapshot. If you hit a startup problem, use Safe Mode to isolate extensions or enter Recovery to run Disk Utility First Aid or reinstall Tahoe. This recovers common issues without erasing personal files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.